पुरतशद्दुद वाक़यात के लिए हुकूमत को राज जिम्मेदार करार दिया।
Where is the investigation? A murder of Ankit, a murder of Faizan, a murder of anyone has to be probed impartially. A life of Ankit cannot have more premium over life of Faizan. These are both Indians. You have no embarrassment. You take pride on the dead bodies which are now lying in the nalas of Delhi.
गुजरात में मुसलमानों की नस्ल कशी ये हुकूमत हमारे ताबूत पर अपनी सियासी इमारत खड़ा कर रही है।
Do you have any humanity left in you? For God's sake, show your humanity. They have made their political palaces on my grave. They have become statesmen. You have become prime minister on my dead body. Shame on you. I hope people of India will throw you out very soon.
इन अल्फाजों का इस्तेमाल बैरिस्टर अवीसी के धाड़ने पर